Welcome to our latest transformation on County Road E in Oconomowoc. This chic starter home has been completely elevated with a fresh, modern aesthetic, revived, refreshed, and redesigned the fair deal home buyer's way. Clean lines, updated finishes, and a crisp exterior now set the stage for a home that feels brand new. As you step inside, you're welcomed by a bright and inviting entryway. Every detail was intentionally chosen to bring this home to life. Light, spacious, and thoughtfully updated to blend comfort with contemporary style. The living area opens up with a sleek, modern look. Fresh flooring, stylish fixtures, and a soft, cohesive color palette create a warm yet sophisticated space. It's the perfect mix of clean design and everyday livability. Moving into the kitchen, the transformation truly shines. Smooth surfaces, updated cabinetry, elegant hardware, and a polished finish bring a modern vibe that feels both functional and beautiful. This kitchen radiates that new home energy, bright, open, and ready to be lived in. Every detail adds to its charm. The dining area flows naturally from the kitchen, making the home feel spacious and connected. Clean design, refreshed lighting, and warm natural tones give this spot a welcoming atmosphere. The bedrooms offer peaceful retreats with modern touches. Fresh paint, updated flooring, and chic lighting make each room feel bright, cozy, and move-in ready. In the bathroom, the upgrades continue. Clean lines, modern tile, and updated fixtures create a calm, spa-like space. It's contemporary, functional, and beautifully finished. From the first step inside to the final walkthrough, this home reflects the fair deal home buyer's commitment to thoughtful design and quality craftsmanship. What was once a simple starter home is now a chic, modern haven, reborn with style and care. This is the fair deal home buyer's way, transforming houses into beautiful homes, one project at a time. To learn more, view available properties, or connect with our team, visit www.fairdealhomebuyers.com. Questions or inquiries? Contact us anytime. Customer@fairdealhomebuyers.com 414-409-8251. Fair Deal Home Buyers, bringing homes back to life with modern style, value, and vision.